Greetings everyone, STS here, and today I'm going to have a review on... Okay, it's too close, let's change somewhere else. Much better. Okay, so we are going to have a review on Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location Funko action figures. It's quite a long time for me because I need some time to gather that much money to buy this thing, and it always ran out of stock. And finally the shipping is pretty expensive and takes a lot of time. So finally it's here, and let's just open this up. Oh yeah, before I open it up, let's just look at the package. Seems it's quite nice detailed. First the front, the stickers, collect all four to have the Edward, baby, the name. Quite weird because it's a fully grown kid. Yeah, I'm not too sure why Scott called her a baby. So let's see, warning, chalk hazard. Okay, yeah, I won't need this. It's quite expensive. Oh, and at the top of the box, you can see a baby face here. Yeah, the baby face. Funko, of course, and yeah, the same thing. Just the location and the entire collection here. And ooh, some parts of Ennard, is it? Oh, quite nice. I like this detail. And some kind of information. Yeah. I kind of feel bad to destroy this package, so let's just kind of do it gently with this. Since they glued it really tight, let's just see, can I really cut it out? Okay, maybe I need the bigger one because this is quite short. Yeah, it came off. 我好明應該係需要膠水去包裝呢個 BB， 睇落嘛 ？Yep。小心啲先。What the? That's tricky. That's unusual. 我唔想戒爛佢喎。Yeah. 叫做好Hello, baby. So here we have it, the main character in the game. Well, so here's baby, and it includes a head, and it's or her or he, not too sure, let's just say it to be safe. And its torso, and there's quite a bit of eyeballs everywhere. And it's just 3 eyeballs on this thing already. And it includes baby's microphone right here, quite fancy. Orange, red, and some... Is this dark gray or black? I think it's dark gray. And for the figure itself, it's kind of... Yeah, quite nice, the articulation. Yeah, but it's kind of... She can't really scratch her head. Okay, so at the other hand, she's holding on something. I think it's supposed to be her microphone. Here we go. And can she put the microphone on her at the front on her mouth? Can she? Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, now she can't really talk to the mic or maybe sing, but I'm not too sure. What can she sing? Okay, so for the legs, the shoe kind of reminds me of Aladdin, just because of the bells on the shoe. Let's see, how much can she move her legs? Quite much. Okay, okay, it just snaps off. Yeah, there we go, fixed it. And it's quite, not too hard, but not that easy to come off. Here's the medium of both, so I kind of like this. And let's see, her head, yeah, of course, spins around, and her dress and her torso also spins around. Quite shiny for her little dress. Yeah, quite nice. I'm not too sure what can I really say about this because I'm not that a gamer. I don't really see her that much. So, but I really like the design of it. It looks so high tech and much more cleaner than the original 4 games characters. And I'm not too sure what kind of hairstyle this is called. I'm not too sure. It's not ponytail, right? Then whatsoever, there's some blue band. I always forgot the words. Whatever. Okay, so mostly it's just grey, white, and red. Yeah, because of the main character that she is. That's why they need to make it red. Okay, that's mostly the thing of it. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to say. Maybe the fan? Yeah, there's no really that speaker around here. Yeah, only the Funtime animatronics have the speakers on. I don't think that this is the speaker, it's just a fan or something. And it just makes ice cream in her belly and have a claw coming out from it. I'm not too sure how the creator can hide a claw inside her body. Seriously, that should be super small. And how does she even fit a child inside her? At least it's kind of entertaining. For me, at least. A red nose for a... Is it a clown or something? Whatever. So, maybe this one, I will need to make a separate video of this. Yeah, definitely. Since all his arms and legs are still not here. So, yeah, I think that will be it. This action figure is quite nice for me, and I will just probably make a bunch of animations of it, since the articulation is quite nice. Yeah. So, this is the end of my review, and I hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, just subscribe and like the video, like usual. So, see you next time. Bye!